It's finally here. The amazing Pixel 3 is Google's newest phone and we think it's a thing of beauty. And there's just so much to love. The stylish design, great battery life and that display. One word, wow. But taking top billing is the Pixel 3's awesome camera. The standout feature has got to be Top Shot. It singles out your best photos so you never miss a moment, thanks to Google's artificial intelligence know-how. So if somebody blinks or you miss something, you can still capture the perfect shot. Just snap a photo of your subject. While you're doing this, the Pixel 3 is already storing images even before you hit that shutter button. The Pixel 3 then shows you a timeline of your images that you can scroll through and picks the best one to use. Now there's no excuse for taking a bad photo. And hate it when you're trying to get that group selfie but struggle to get everyone in the frame? No worries, Group Selfie Cam has got your back. It uses the Pixel 3's dual front-facing camera to help you take wide-angle selfies. That means no more squeezing in or asking somebody else to take the photo. It's dead easy to use. Simply adjust the slider at the bottom of the screen while taking a photo, like so, to switch to a wide-angle view that's perfect for group photos. Now we've seen what the camera can do, let's see what else the Pixel 3 has to offer. It comes in two sizes. Get the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. So take your pick from the 5.5-inch version, or if you want something bigger, the 6.3-inch version. And the display is amazing on both. We're talking a Quad HD OLED screen that goes up to the corners. It's what Google's calling flexible OLED. In other words, the screen gives you a wider view of your content and has up to 4 times more detail than a standard HD screen. And of course, anything you watch on it looks superb, especially on the monster-sized XL. You can also shoot in 4K or slow motion, so that big screen comes in extra handy for previewing your videos. The design looks the part too. There's a matte finish on the all-glass rear, which Google says is a first of its kind. It means you won't get grubby fingerprints all over your phone. The Pixel 3 comes with either 64 gig or 128 gig of storage. You also get unlimited space for pictures with Google Photos. And when it comes to performance, the Pixel 3 does not disappoint, thanks to a Snapdragon 845 processor that makes everything feel slick. The battery will last all day too, so you've got the power to snap away, watch films and browse your social media right up until bedtime. If all that sounds like music to your ears, you can get the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL from Carphone Warehouse right now. Just tap your screen to hit that link.